Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News and today I have news update on two of the most important matches of 2021. So make sure you watch the video till the end. First up in the news is the Michael Todd vs Devon Larratt match. Now there has been a lot of speculations around who will be the referee for this match. In 2018, almost everyone except Devon and Michael blamed Bartwood for Devon's loss. Now whether Bartwood is a competent referee or not, that is beyond the scope of my judgmental skills. Larry Wheels, Michael Todd, and Devon Larratt all are from Northern America, and they have most of their connections in that part of the world. So it was quite clear that the referee won't be from Europe, where the refereeing is strictest. Bill Collins, who is the owner of UAL, is the official referee for the Devon vs Michael match on May 28th. Is he a good ref for this match? I think he is. Bill has been on both sides of the spectrum. He has been reffing in the UAL where the rules are not the strictest and somewhat comparable to WL. If you watch a John Brzenk versus Jerry Cadret match and you see that Jerry did the same thing that he did against Michael Todd by lifting his elbow and not putting it back on the pad, and you still see Bill don't call it a loss on Jerry, then don't be surprised at all. But on the flip side, he has reffed some of the most important PAL super matches in the world. Andrei Pushkar vs Michael Todd, Denis Siplenkov vs Michael Todd, and many more. And you will very rarely see him making any mistakes there. Reffing in arm wrestling is a job where it is impossible to make zero mistakes, but you will see very few when Bill is the referee. And even if he does want to see a match end with a pin and decides to ignore minor fouls, then Devon and Todd won't mind that, because that's basically what they have said they want. But I really doubt he will do that. That is why I said he's a good referee for this match. Another information regarding this match is that both Michael and Devon are going to Dubai on May 20, a week before their match. It is not their personal decision. The organizers have decided this, so you can expect to see some really interesting and cool pre-match stuff from them. I have already advised Larry to have some UFC style weigh-ins posted on his channel. It would be really enjoyable for the fans since there is a real hype going around how massive Devon is going to show up for this match. Let's see if that happens. The undercard to the Devon vs Todd match will be a rematch between Larry Wheels and Alexander Beziaskov aka Schoolboy. I don't even know if we can call it a rematch because the last time it was left-handed and this time it is right-handed. If you have recently started watching arm wrestling, no problem. Their last match was 5 months ago, left-handed, best of 6 rounds, and as everyone expected, Schoolboy was able to beat Larry 6-0 very comfortably. Then Larry tagged in his buddy Khalid, who tortured Schoolboy's thumb so much that he couldn't even hold his pencil to write his exams for months after that. Remember when Larry asked his fans who should he face on May 28th? I was literally thinking for 30 minutes and I couldn't come up with any other name than Schoolboy. So Schoolboy was my pick for Larry. Because Larry has to pull someone who has a big enough name to make the match a social media sensation. If you remember, their last match was the only arm wrestling video ever to be on the trending page in YouTube in any country. It was trending on number 42 in United States. So if you find someone who is really popular but not an arm wrestler, Larry would most certainly beat him and the match would not be interesting. And on the other hand, if you find someone who is really popular and an actual arm wrestler, Larry is most likely to lose to him. So Schoolboy is the only closest arm wrestler matching these criteria. As far as the prediction goes, I think Schoolboy still beats Larry 6-0 and that too very convincingly. And don't get me wrong, the entire arm wrestling world, including me, wants to see Larry beat Schoolboy because it can only be so much beneficial for the sport. Larry is much stronger than what he was 5-6 months ago, but I think there is still an experience gap between these two, and Schoolboy will exploit that. Another interesting fact about this match, Larry has mentioned in one of his videos that the amount collected from PPV sales will go directly towards the prize money for Devon and Michael. And now they have included the Schoolboy match and the Schoolboy coupon code for 10% discount. He will also get a chunk of that money. So please buy the pay-per-view for May 28th. Don't rely on piracy. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.